We recommend rinsing the stones with clear water so there will be no dust smell the first time you use your sauna. Take some stones and put them on the bottom of the heater. Please use gloves, we don't want you to hurt yourself. Then you can start composing them as fundaments to the rest of the stones. Place the stones circle-wise, layer by layer, so the heating casing won't bend to one side. Be patient. Some of the stones may fall out, but no worries. Just try to put them back there so they stay inside. For that, use larger stones to the outside and smaller ones to fix the outside stone layer. Put on some music and enjoy your new sauna heater coming to life. Some finishing touches, and you are ready to enjoy your sauna. For further questions, please visit our website www.huum.eu or contact our reseller.